Hey guys, what is going on? John Paul here for Ready.Set.GO. Before we begin, if you're new or haven't done so yet, please take a moment right now and click on the subscribe button for us. We truly appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. At this point, most of us have already heard about the Nest Audio by now, which is Google's latest speaker edition. If you have not yet seen my unboxing video and overall impressions on the Nest Audio, you can find a link in the description below or at the end of this video. I know many out there are still deciding whether the Nest Audio is actually worth buying. Others might also be questioning its overall sound quality. For this video, I went ahead and compiled several music samples to give you an idea on the Nest Audio's overall sound output. The following music samples were played through a Nest Audio speaker at 85% volume capacity, in order to prevent sound distortion while recording. This next audio track will test the Nest Audio space capacity. This next audio track will test the speaker's overall sound quality. This next audio track will test the speaker's overall sound quality. This next audio track will test the Nest Audio space capacity. This next audio track will test the vocals.
Yeah, you running off, my hands tied. You coming back, my hands are tied now. We're making love, my hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to play, but my hands are tied now. You running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied. We're making love, my hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to give, but my hands are tied now. Tapped out on the scene, throw some checks, we're gonna branch out on the real. And I got myself.
This next audio track will test the Nest Audio's space capacity. That will be all for this video. Hopefully, these audio tracks were able to give you a better idea on the Nest Audio's overall sound quality. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, go ahead and click the subscribe button for us. Also, don't forget to like and leave your comments below. This is JP for Ready.Set.GO. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.